How to make money from selling parts on eBay flips auto business parts 2021 mining what to sell eBay e-flips business parts make money online. Let's start this video. To make money online from selling eBay e-flips auto business parts 2021 earn money online 2021 eBay from selling parts online. Let's start. Determine what to sell on eBay to make money online. Starting this given area, the table of content explanations in these tutorials. Why sell on eBay? Who is selling eBay? What should you sell on eBay? eBay selling format, developing products descriptions for eBay, managing your product listing, managing your eBay order, eBay best practices, and at least second of last conclusions. First step, why sell on eBay? There are 182 million eBay buyers worldwide. It's one of the largest global online marketplaces featuring approximately 1.3 billion product listings of any given day. Who is selling on eBay? There are a few different types of eBay sellers. You have got your newbies or amateur resellers who sell a few items at a fixed price. And then you have the power resellers. Power resellers are professional resellers who spend a lot of times purchasing items, packaging products, shipping and receiving goods and managing auctions. Next, what should you sell on eBay and how to make money online eBay 2021. How to sell eBay business parts Eclipse 2021 very easily. This is platforms, how to buy and how to sell easily in this platform. Start. What